Hi there, so this is a quick overview of how to check your DataShare balance via the app. Okay, this app is installed on the Android phone, so we just open it. After you've used the link and you've linked your number, this is how it will open. There's an option to enter your password or uh, a code, or to set up that it opens up with your biometrics. So I've set mine up to use biometrics. So once you're logged in, this is the page that you will see. You basically scroll up on the page until where you see data. You click on data. On the following page, you scroll up again, and this is where you will see your data balance for your data share. You can check over 30 days, over 60 days. You can also scroll down and check on show more, and it will show you where data has been used on which platforms that you've been looking at, like so.